Welcome to Life at Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis. And it's the second week of August, and it's been hot, it's been rainy, and it's been humid. And on Saturday, I went around and harvested a lot of things. We had tomatoes, we had more onions, we had peppers, zucchinis, watermelon, okra, a lot of things. I worked most of the day Saturday processing those. Some of them I had to wait until Sunday to finish because it got so late. And then on Monday I got my hair done, got it cut. Tuesday was a bit of a wet day. Now all these days, every day it seems like we've been running to town to get wood for the shop that we're working on, the shed that we're working on. So it's been a lot of trips to town, and haven't really had that much of a chance to get out here. I did get some of the tomatoes weeded. Still have to do a lot more, especially since we got rain again. The onions in here that I put out to dry are doing really well. They're doing exactly what they're supposed to. These are drying up nicely. Still got some that are green. They have to go a little bit longer. But they're doing well. Kind of put them like some of those like that, because as they dry up, sometimes they get a little bit thinner at the top. But these are doing really well. After they get dry, you can kind of brush the dirt off of them easy without damaging. The real roots are getting dry. So these have got about another week to go in here, and then by the time they all get dry like this, I can either do 2 or 3 things. I can braid these and hang them up, or I can just cut them off about here and put them in a mesh bag, or I can still freeze them if I want. But these are doing really well out here. Like I said, we've been making a lot of trips into town for the shed that we're working on. It's slow progress, but the Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is this shed. But at least it's progress. We had to stop there for so long because of the pandemic, but it's getting progress. Things in this low greenhouse are doing really well, and we've got to do. We've got to go in there and harvest. Sweet potatoes are taking over the high greenhouse, and popcorn is starting to turn dark at the top, so waiting for that to dry out. Thursday morning I met with some friends, quite a group of girls. I really enjoyed meeting with them. We went to high school together, and we've been getting together every once in a while, so it's nice getting together with them today. Spent about an hour and a half there, and then I got a text saying that one of the apartments was having trouble with their burner. So we had to go over there and find out what was wrong with that. Got that fixed. So came home. He's working on the shed, and I'm debating whether I want to do okra first, peppers first, or zucchinis. That's what we're going to do Friday morning, hopefully. But we've been up to. Hi, Trouble. Hey, Trouble. Such a good kitty. Yes. Oh, the cat that thinks it's a dog loves to have his tummy rubbed. Well, the okra's gone crazy since I whipped it. I've got okra everywhere, so really need to get this done. zucchini is coming along fine after her getting rid of the lower leaves. Uh-oh, I got squash bugs everywhere. Gonna have to get the soap out. Okay, gonna harvest those and then I'm gonna spray for bugs. Okay, I've harvested the zucchini and I've sprayed the soap on them, and then I went through each leaf and I turned it upside down, checked, make sure I didn't have any bugs on it, got rid of the eggs that were on the leaves. So hopefully we've got this under control. I still see a few that are hanging on, but I'm hoping that the soap will get them. Some of the leaves don't look too good now that I've messed with them so much. Flipped them back and forth. They're pretty wilted, so I may have to come out here and water. But there's still a few on here. But I'm not opposed to just squishing them. Yep, it looks a lot better. A lot less of them. And like I said, these leaves will be okay. It's in the middle of the day, it's hot, and they've just been stressed pretty much. I did not spray these. I sprayed those over there. So it shouldn't be, this isn't caused by spray. This is just caused by the wildiness of the fact that it's mid-afternoon and this bed's pretty dry. So I really should water it. So, hopefully we got rid of the squash bugs, or at least under control. Up, a bunch of eggs I missed. This is what the eggs look like. So we'll just get rid of them. There we go. Another little squash bug trying to get away. There we go. A few hanger-oners. Just a few. So what I do with these, I don't squish them, is I got a container of soapy water here. I just pop them in the soapy water, and that takes care of them. Alright, so zucchini's not looking too great right now, mainly because I've been messing with it and because of the day. If it doesn't come back, not a great big deal. We've got another zucchini in the greenhouse for the fall, so I even actually thought about just pulling them, but they've got a lot of blooms on them, so if it makes it, fine. If not, I'm not too concerned about it. I still gotta get in here and get this okra done. So at least we got the squash bugs under control, I think, in this garden. On Friday, he continued to work on his building. He's been working on it all week. I took a little bit of time to relax with the puppy on the front porch like I usually do in the mornings. I enjoy the time just to sit and kind of get my thoughts together and decide what I'm going to do for the day. And on Friday, I decided to go ahead and harvest the okra and put it up. And I want to paint, and I painted on the checkerboard table, trying to get that done before winter. And also I have received 2 more packages from Amazon, which I will be opening up soon and doing reviews on. So stay tuned to the channel for those reviews. So hope you had a good week. I hope you've been busy. Remember, sometimes you just have to take some time out to relax. That's okay. Recharge your little batteries and then be that energizing bunny and get out there. And remember to prep and change your rotate your pantry and add to your pantry. Don't forget to add. Make sure you have backups. I have things in my freezer, but I also have backups in the pantry just in case the freezer goes out. Okay, and also it's important to have backups for your backups. And in our food, we have the freezer, we have the pantry, and then I have some freeze-dried long-term food in the camping section, my backpack and stuff. That we have our bug out bag. That's what I'm looking for. I have food in there. So always kind of have backups for your backups. Same thing with electricity. Have your flashlights, your batteries, and then you have backups for those. Candles, kerosene lights. Just make sure you have backups. And remember, dream big, follow that dream, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.